how do you speed up your Windows internet for free? By default, when you install Windows, it gives you 80% of your internet, and Windows holds 20% of your internet for reservable. It reserves 20% of your internet for basically Windows updates. So you want to click Start, the Start menu, Run, gpedit.msc, which I'll put this right here. I'm going to click this right here, gpedit.msc. Make sure it's on computer config, administrative templates, network, QoS Packet Scheduler, limit reservable bandwidth. Double click that. Now by default, this would be disabled. This would say 80 right here. So if it was disabled and it says 80, you're using 80% of your internet, not a full 100%. We're paying for internet. We want 100% of our internet what we're paying for. So Microsoft got sneaky. They try to hide 20%. They basically hold 20% of your internet for Windows Update. Like, we update it whenever we want. So you click Enable. You would change this from 80 to 0, and then you click Apply. Determines the percentage of connection bandwidth that the system can reserve. The value limits the combined bandwidth reservations of the program running on the system. By default, the packet scheduler limits the system to 80% of the bandwidth of a connection, but you can use this setting to override the default. If you enable this setting, you can use a bandwidth limit box to adjust the amount of bandwidth the system can reserve. If you disable this setting or do not configure it, the system uses the default value of 80% of the connection. Important: if a bandwidth limit is set for a particular network adapter in the registry, this setting is ignored when configuring the network adapter. So basically all you gotta do is change this from disable, enable, push 0, apply, and there it is. There you got 100% of your internet, and that's it. And click OK. Now I also do limit outstanding packets, which is right here. So by default it'll be disabled. I don't remember what number this is because I've had it like this for like years, but I don't remember what number this is normally. But it would be disabled and then a lower number. I just click enable and then I just go to the max. Set the max. Specifies the maximum number of outstanding packets permitted on the system. When the number of outstanding packets reaches this limit, the packet scheduler postpones all submissions to network adapters until the number falls below this limit. Outstanding packets are packets that the packet scheduler has submitted to a network adapter for transmission, but which have not yet been sent. This is really small, so I'm like close to the monitor trying to read it. If you set this setting, you can limit the number of outstanding packets, which you don't want to limit it. You want it as much as you can get. If you disable the setting or do not configure it, then the setting has no effect on the system. So I just max it out, click enable, max it out, which is this number right here. Click apply. Done. And that's it. You got 100% of your internet speed. paying $150 for internet. You want 100% of your internet speed, not 80%. That's it. Okay, thanks. If this helped out, leave a like, comment if you have any problems, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Got 100% of your internet for free. Literally get 20% extra in a matter of seconds. Just go boom, run gpedit.msc, min templates, network, QoS, limit reservable bandwidth, enable, 0, apply, done. That simple. That fast. Okay, thank you. And have a nice day. Here, you can test for lost packets. After you've done that, click. Well, I got Windows 10, so mine's PowerShell. PowerShell, but you can click Command Prompt and click, or and type ping space google.com. Enter. Ping status, packet sent, packets received, packet sent for packets received, or packet sent for received for lost, 0 lost. And it shows your average ping. So you could do that right there. And close this and click PowerShell, and then you could go like this. Whoops. Test your max MTU, which is the max MTU is 1500. So this is what you want to type right here. So you go like this, PowerShell. I keep getting tongue twisted right there. See Windows System 32. Just copy paste. And it's this right here. You're copying and pasting. Right here. And enter. Max MTU 1500. That's the max. So everything's all good and set. Go back. Oops. Go back here. Double check it. Pinggoogle.com. 0 packets lost. That's it. As simple as that. Now your internet's running at, well, you don't need to do this, but now you know, you see there's 0 packet lost. Your internet speed is running at 100% of what you paid for. That's it. Any questions? If this helped out, leave a like, comment down, let me know if you have any problems, and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. Alright, thank you. Have a nice day.